Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I'm here to show you how to save your old washi tape. What you're going to need is a heating element, like a hair dryer or a heat tool. You're going to need some old yucky washi tape and something to protect your surface. This is a Ranger craft mat that I'm using today. So what do I mean by old washi tape? Old washi tape is the washi tape that starts to pull up on itself. So let me see if you can see this. But if you try to take up this washi tape, it starts to pill up. I don't know if you can see it, but it's starting to pill up the other layer below it. So it's really hard to use crappy washi tape. So what you need to do is help that adhesive to release at least the first couple of layers so you can get to the stuff that might still be okay. So in order to do that, you need to take your heat gun and lightly heat the surface, really lightly. And what that does, be careful, this will be a little warm, is it should release that adhesive so that it starts to pull up a little bit better. And you should eventually see how much easier it is to pull it up. We should be able to just kind of work around until we get to the piece that is not laying on top of the other piece. So just want to heat up that adhesive to make that glue start to release off of the washi tape until you can fix it. Alright, almost there. So if you find that it starts to give a little bit, add a little more heat. Not a lot, you don't want to burn yourself or the tape. And eventually you want to just work it until it comes off nicely. And you won't feel any adhesive on this side. Because sometimes old washi tape you can feel that adhesive. Like there's a little bit on this side. I can feel it right here. So I may not be able to use that layer. But that should help you to get started using your washi tape again. And yay! Because sometimes, man, old washi tape is hard to play with. So I hope this video helped you at least be able to reuse your washi tape. And basically all you're doing is activating that glue a little bit to lift it up off of that washi tape that's on this side. So once you lift it up, you should be good to go and be able to use it for any of your projects. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.